Hey, good evening, guys. Tonight's problem solver, it says it takes Kathy 10 minutes to walk to her grandmother's house and 15 minutes to walk home. Kathy walked to her grandmother's house every morning for 2 weeks to have breakfast with her grandmother, and then she walked home. How many minutes did Kathy spend traveling to and from her grandmother's house during those 2 weeks? Um, you definitely need to identify some of these important things, like it takes her 10 minutes to walk to her grandmother's house and 15 minutes to walk home. So you definitely need to know, definitely takes 10 minutes to walk to the house and 15 minutes to walk home. So in one day, if we take that and we add that up, we need to figure out one day. So 10 minutes there, 15 minutes back, 0 plus 5 is 5, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So 25 minutes, right? So you figured out per day of travel. Now, keeping that in mind, it also says up here that she does this every morning for 2 weeks. Now, in order for us to understand 2 weeks, you have to know that how many days are in 1 week. 1 week is equal to 7 days. So that means that 2 weeks, sorry, my head is freezing. 2 weeks is 14 days. Do you see that pattern? I think most of you know that there's 7 days in a week. So you're looking at this number right here, 14 days. So if I go back to the problem, we know it's 25 minutes per day. And then we have to do times 14. So in order to do that, boys and girls, I'm going to teach you how to do that. So watch. You're going to take 25 times 14. Do this a number of ways, but the easiest way is this way. 4 times 5 is 20. And write the 2 up here, the 0 here. 4 times 2 is 8. Add the 2 on here, 9, 10. Then you're going to go to the tens place. In order to do that, you've got to put a placeholder. You put a 0 right there. 1 times 5 is 5, and 1 times 2 is 2. I'm going to add that up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. And 1 plus 2 is 3. So 350 minutes total spent traveling to grandmother's house and back. Now, if you really want to challenge yourself, I want to see those of you that want the challenge tonight, figure out how many hours and minutes are in 350 minutes. Remember, there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So let's see if you can figure out this problem and come back with an answer of how many hours and how many minutes is 350.